Hey everyone, so pretty much everybody has been trying these headband wigs, so I was super excited when I got the chance to try some for myself. There's a company called AFRO'ANEW who sent me 2 units to try for my personal review, and so I'm basically going to show you these wigs and what I thought about them. So I'm basically going to start with a quick unboxing one at a time to show you how they look. This is the packaging that they were sent in right here. And they also added an extra headband in there for my wig. I thought that was cute. You can choose your headband design. So this is the first headband wig that I'm going to show you now. So this one was super cute. When I took it out the package, I was tickled. So it's basically like an afro piece at the top, and then the back is like a head wrap. I'm showing you the inside of it, that it does not have any comb attachments, but it does have a drawstring at the back so that you can tighten it if you need to. And of course, you're going to have to fluff this out because it comes, compact when you first open the package. Now you can choose between synthetic or human hair, but of course synthetic is going to be cheaper, human hair is going to be more expensive, so I did go with the synthetic option. Here's the second wig right here and what it looks like straight out of the package. So it does come with a Velcro piece at the bottom you can fasten to the back of your head. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, and it also has an adjustable strap in the back. Now also with this wig, you're going to have to fluff it out because it did come compact in the packaging. And any of the little loose pieces, feel free to cut those off if you don't like those, but I just left it as it was. Now this is my hair right here. I'm just going to prep it so that I can get ready to put the wig on. I'm putting some leave-in conditioner in. I want my hair to be detangled and moisturized before I get ready to put my hair up. And keep in mind that I did get the synthetic, so you don't want to manipulate it too much because it will tangle. It'll tangle, and I just try to do as least manipulation as possible. Now I want my edges to be really slick and really nice looking, so I'm putting edge control on my edges, and then I'm just basically going to brush it out so that I can have a more polished finished look. You don't have to have your edges showing when you wear these headband wigs or head wraps, but to me, if you have a little bit of your hair showing at the front, it does look a little more realistic. All of the products that I'm using in this video, including the wigs, will be put down in the description box, so make sure to check those out when you get a chance. I'll also leave a coupon code, and it should also be above in this video. Now for my edges, I'm just doing a minor swoop, not trying to do anything super fancy, just wanted to look a little polished here so it looks like it goes effortlessly with the headband wig. Putting on my wig cap right here to make sure my hair is protected underneath the wig. Here's what it looks like in the back. I just put a really big clamp on so that my hair will lay as flat as possible. Now here's what the wig looks like on the website, and I'm showing you what it looks like on my head straight out of the packaging. Of course, you're going to want to adjust it to your liking and fluff it out a little more, but I feel like coming straight out of the package that this was super cute and super realistic looking. I do have relaxed hair, but this kind of gives me an idea of what I could possibly look like if I did decide to go natural one day. So with the drawstring right here in the back, I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it up to my comfort level, and then you just simply can tuck it in up under the headband wig. Just tuck it under to hide the string. So basically I'm just gonna fluff it out a little more to my liking, showing you what it looks like from the back and from the side. And I thought it was absolutely cute and adorable. So I wish I would have fluffed it out a little more on the right hand side, but it's okay because it's still really cute. So I'm giving you a 360 of what the wig looks like. Absolutely beautiful, adorable. So many people thought this was my hair when I went to work. They thought I had cut my hair and went natural. And so I was like, yeah, this is my hair. It sure is. Thank you. I took all the compliments. So I'm home from work and I'm going to go ahead and take the wig off, and this is the second wig that I received from the company AFRO'ANEW. This one is here what it looks like on the website. It's definitely longer, thicker, and at first I was a little timid because I'm not used to big hair, but once I got it on and I started, you know, fluffing it out, I absolutely loved it as well. So with this wig, you just take the headband, and it does have a Velcro strap at the back, and then just fasten it to the back of your head. Right now I'm just adjusting it around my hairline and behind my ears so that it can look more realistic. Like I said again, if you can show a little bit of your hair in the front, you don't have to, but it does help. And then I'm just right here, I'm just playing with it and fluffing it out. I don't want to manipulate it too much because this unit is synthetic, and synthetic tends to tangle more. So I'm just trying to fluff it out as lightly as I can without doing too much manipulation to the hair. So here's the extra headband that they sent me. I'm perfectly fine with the black headband, but a lot of people like colorful headbands, so I was like, hey, go ahead and put it on. So I'm putting the headband on, which it does make it look a little more lively and cute. So here is the final look after I fluffed it out to my liking. I'm going to give you a 360 of what it looks like from all sides. I thought it was really cute. Very cute and voluminous and girly. Here is what it looks like up close. Just want to show you like the definition. It's not too shiny where it's like unbelievable. I thought it went really well. So I'm going to do a second hairstyle on this same wig. I'm going to do something really simple. Just pull it up into like a little ponytail at the top middle and leave the back down. I'm going to secure it with a little clamp. You'll see it in just a minute. This little clamp right here, you can get it from the dollar store or Walmart, anywhere like that. So with this hairstyle, I basically just wanted to pull it away from my face and have it up a little high while still maintaining the length and letting it be bushy and flowy in the back, so to speak. I'm just showing you up front what it looks like. Very pretty, realistic, believable, fluffy. I loved it. At first I was unsure, but I absolutely think this is cute. I do. Now I'm going to go ahead with the third hairstyle for this same wig. I'm just taking the clamp out, fluffing it out a little more so that I can get it loosened. I'm using one of these long headbands, the little skinny ones. You can get them from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. And I'm basically just going to pull my hair all up into like a high ponytail bun type of look. So I gathered all the hair together and just wrapped it around. Trying my best not to make sure I get any tangles during this process, and then just fluff it out. So it looks like a little high poof bun to me. I thought this was super cute. It looks very realistic. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Check out their website because they have several more styles, and also use the coupon code if you do decide to order one. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.